how to schedule a future order on Grubhub. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you want your meal ready just when you need it, here is how to schedule a future delivery on Grubhub in just few simple steps. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Grubhub app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you are inside the app, make sure that you have entered your delivery address, because this ensures you only see the restaurants that can deliver to your location at the time that you want. Now here you can browse through the available restaurants and select your favorite. And now here, once you're inside this section, you can just tap on any item that you would like. And here, once you have added it, you need to add them to your bag. And here, once you have added them, and here, once you are inside the card, you can just tap on view order. And here you can simply tap on your order at the top, and here you can simply change your time right here. So here I'm gonna simply change it to today, and once I'm done selecting the time, I'm gonna simply tap on schedule order, and after that I'm gonna simply tap on update. And here, once I'm done with it, if I proceed to check out and complete the order, the item will arrived at the scheduled time. And that's it. That's how you can schedule a future order on Grubhub. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.